Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 extended course, syllabus topic E1 number, module 1.2, which is about sets. This is part 9, and in this video we'll be solving exercise 4 of chapter number 8, and the question specifically will be solving question number 10 onwards. And as we know, we are using complete mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE extended course written by David Rayner. Right, so in question number 10 it says, in a school, student must take at least one of these subjects, math, physics or chemistry. Now guys, this line tells us a lot of things. First thing, there are three sets or three circles, math, physics and chemistry. Second thing is that it says student must take at least one of these subjects. It means that none of the student lie outside of these three circles, so it means all values lie within these three circles. So what I did, I'm just taking three circles, M for mathematics, P for physics, this right one is physics, and the bottom one C for chemistry. Now the trick to this question is that as you are reading through this question, just keep on filling out all these portions, so that will make the question very easy and easy to understand. In a group of 50 students, it means that if you add all these portions of these three circles, sum of all these portions must be equals to 50. Then it says 7 take all three subjects, all three. Look at that word, all three. It means this is the common. Look, this is the only area which is common between these three circles, so it means that the value will write 7 because this is the common between these three circles. Then it says 9 take physics and chemistry. It means this is purely the intersection of physics and chemistry. Physics is here, chemistry is here, so it means this area is 9 because this is the intersection of physics and chemistry. Look, this area also there, but this area lies to M as well, and we are only looking, see that 9 take physics and chemistry only, and look at that word. Look, in the set, basically these words are playing the crucial part. If you ignore these words, you can, the highly possibility you will do the question wrong. See that words only, guy, right? So it means 9 take physics and chemistry only. It means you are just looking for those 9, the portion of this diagram which is the intersection of purely between P and C, physics and chemistry, which is this one. Then it says A take maths and physics only. Look at that, this is the intersection of maths and physics, and the number of students are 8. It means that maths and physics, this area is 8. Then it says and 5 take maths and chemistry only. So this area is maths and chemistry, this is the intersection of maths and chemistry, so 5 is there, right? So we have reached till here now, and this is out of these 50 students. We already know there are 50 altogether. It means if you add up all these portions, that will make to 50. Of these 50 students, X take maths only. Maths only means this portion is maths only, so this is X, right? Comma, X take physics only. X take physics. Once again, physics is, this portion is physics, so this is X. And then it says X plus 3 take chemistry only, so this is the chemistry only portion, so this is X plus 3. See, this is the way you just fill up all the portions. Now it says draw a Venn diagram. We have already drawn. Find X and hence find the number taking mathematics. So then we have to find out two values. First of all, let's find out the value of X, which is this one. So see that if you add all these portions, that must be equals to 50. So it means that let's add them all. So it will be X starting with the from this mass. So X plus 8 plus X plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus X plus 3, right? So this is all we have covered, equals to 50. Now just simplify it and find the value of X. So let's sum up the X's. So X plus X plus X, that makes up 3X, right? And then 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 3, that makes up 32, right? And that is equals to 32, that is equals to 50, right? Then if you just take 32 on that side and divide 3, let me do that. 3x equals to, that will be equals to 18, because 50 minus 32 is 18, and if you divide 3 on that side, so it will be x equals to 18 divided by 3, which is equals to 6. So it means that the value of x is 6. Now it says find the number taking mass. It means that this is the mass portion, got 4 in it, x plus 5 plus 7 plus 8, and we already find out the value of x. It means that n of m, I mean number of taking mass, which is equals to x, which is equal to 6, plus, only look at that circle guys, because this is the circle of mass, and it got 4 portion, x plus 5 plus 7 plus 8, and we already find out the value of x, which is 6. So it means that 6 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8, if you add all these up, that is equals to 26. It means that there are 20 students who are taking mathematics. So in question number 11, it says all of 60 different vitamin pills contain at least one of the vitamins A, B and C. It means I've already taken these 3 circles A, B and C. It means that none of the vitamin pills will be outside this A, B, C. It means everything will be within these circles. Then it says 12 have A only. A only means this is a portion of A only, so it got 12 value in it, right? Then it says 7 have B only. It means B only is this portion, 7. Then it says 11 have C only. So this is the portion of 11, C only. Then it says if 6 have all 3 vitamins, it means that this is the intersection. Look, this portion is the intersection of A, B, C. It means the value of this portion is 6. Then it says, and there are X having A and B only. Look at that word, A and B only. And how many of them? There are X. It means that this is the X, right? Which is the, it means this portion is A and B only. If it is only A and B, remember guys, let's suppose if this word only was not there, so it means that this, all of it, this one and this one, I mean we would have taken both of them as 6 as X, but in that case it says only, it means this is the only X, because this, I mean this portion will have C as well. Then it says B and C and A and C, it means all of it, this is A and C only and this is B and C only. How many pills contain vitamin A? So of course, once you find out the value of X, then you add this 4 portion of A to find out how many pills contain vitamin A. As we know, if we add all these portions, that must be equal to 60, because there are total 60 vitamin pills. So let's then add. So it is 12 plus X plus 7 plus X plus 6 plus X plus 11 equals to 60. As we know, there are total 60 different vitamin pills. So let's solve them out. So X plus X, so it is 3X, and then we have 12 plus 7, which is equal to 19. 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 11 is 36. So this is 36 equals to 60. If you take 36 on that side, so it is 3X equals to 60 minus 36. So it will be 3X equals to, now 60 minus 36 will be equals to 24, and X equals to 8. So once we have find out the value of X, now we can tell how many pills contain vitamin A. Now look at that circle, this circle representing A, and it got 4 portion, 12 plus X plus 6 plus X. When we already found out the value of X, it means that N of A will be equals to 12 plus X, which is 8 now, plus 6, and then plus X, which is once again 8. So let's count them together. 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 6 is 26, and 26 plus 8 is 34. It means that N of A is equal to 34, means that vitamin A got 34 pills. In question number 12, it says the IGCSE result of 30 members of a rugby squad were as follow. So it means that we have 30 members altogether. All 30 players passed at least 2 subjects. It means the epsilon or the universal set is of those students who have passed at least 2 subjects. So it means that 2 subject students are equals to 30, right? Like that. Explain you what is that at least mean. In sets, whenever you come across this word at least, it means that some members lied exactly inside of it, right? Of course, that makes sense of at least then. Then it says 18 players passed at least 3 subjects. Once again, we are using this word at least with the 3 subjects. It means that something live inside of 3 as well. It means that 3 got 18, right? Number of members are 18 in set 3. And then it says 3 players passed 4 subjects. Now, as we know, 4 lies inside of 3. It means that it got a value of 3. Now, 4 subjects or more, calculate. Now what we have to find out, how many passed exactly 2 subjects. Now see guys, this rectangle represent the the students who have passed 2. So it means 2 exactly 2 means we are talking about this area, right? This area outside this 2 circle. It means in the part A we are looking to find out the value of x. That makes sense because if you go inside of these circles, it is the circle of 3 subjects and the 4 subjects, and if you come out of it, this is the area of 2 because this rectangle represents the 2, and then we have some inner sets. That is why we're using the word at least continuously with this 3 and 2. So we know that this rectangle or epsilon or universal set has total of 30. It means if you add them up, that must be equals to 30. But before actually we can jump into 30, we need some more values. This circle has a 3 value, right? And it means that this circle has exactly 3 value. And this outside is x. But what about this portion? Because if you don't know this portion, we cannot add these 3 equals to 30. See that we know that 3 subjects, the number of students who have passed 3 subjects are 18, and 3 who passed 4. It means 18 minus 3 is 15. It means that 15 students are only students who have passed only 3 subjects. Now you can add 3, these 3 portion equals to 30. It means that x plus 15 plus 3 equals to 30. And now 15 plus 3, 18, 30 minus 18 is, so it means x equals to 12, right? Now it means that number of students who have passed exactly 2 subjects are 12. Then it says what fraction of the squad passed exactly 3 subjects. See, it says fraction of the squad. We know that the squad got 30 members, so it means fraction of the subject. Of what fraction? Who have passed exactly 3 subjects. We know that the students who have passed exactly 3 subjects is 15, and total we got 13. So it means that it is asking 15 over 30. That is 15 to the 30. So it means it is 1 over 2. So in the next video, we'll be solving question number 13 onwards of chapter number 8. So see you there.